If your outlet is buzzing or making a humming noise when you plug stuff in, that's usually a sign something's up with the wiring or the outlet itself. So, first off, make sure to turn off the power at the breaker before you mess with anything to avoid getting shocked. Then, pop off the outlet cover and check if any wires look loose or frayed. Sometimes they just wiggle out over time. Tighten those screws holding the wires in place if they're loose, but don't force anything that feels stuck. If everything looks good but the buzzing keeps going, it might be time to swap out the outlet itself because it could be worn or faulty. When you replace it, get one that matches the amperage and voltage of your existing setup so you don't cause more issues. Also, double check that your outlet is grounded properly, because a missing ground can cause weird noises and be unsafe. If you're not comfy doing this yourself, calling an electrician is always a smart move, since they know how to handle tricky wiring safely. Lastly, avoid overloading the outlet with too many devices, since that can heat it up and cause buzzing too. One of the most common mistakes people make with buzzing outlets is ignoring loose wiring connections, which can lead to sparks or even fires if left unchecked. The fix is to always check and tighten connections carefully. Another issue is using damaged or old outlets that no longer handle current well. Swapping them for new, quality outlets usually stops the humming noise. The third problem is overloading outlets with too many high-power devices at once, which stresses the circuit and causes buzzing. Spreading out electrical loads across different outlets fixes this hassle. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching and guessing. It also supports contractors by connecting them directly with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.